Welcome! In front of me I have Redmi Watch 5 Lite and I'm gonna show you how to change the watch face on this watch. First we need to wake up the screen on our watch, and you can do it by pressing the side button. Once you wake up the screen you should see the current watch face, the home screen, and you can press and hold on the screen to open the watch face menu. And here you can scroll through the list of watch faces by swiping left and right on the screen, find the watch face you like, and once you find it, tap on it to select it and apply it. You can also edit the watch faces, so if you open the watch face menu, under the watch face you have this edit button, you can tap on it. And this allows you to change the basically style of the watch face, and then you can tap on the check mark to confirm and apply the changes, and then you can apply the watch face. You can also change the watch face through the phone application if your watch is paired with a phone, so we can move this to the side, bring the phone that is paired with our watch, zoom out the camera, like this. And on the phone that is paired with our watch, we can open the Mi Fitness application. In the app, we can tap on Device. Here we should see our Redmi Watch Lite, Redmi Watch 5 Lite on the device page. And as you can see, we have the option called Manage Band Displays. We can tap on All. And we have Online and Local. Local is basically the list of watch faces on your watch, and you can quickly change them by tapping on one and tapping on apply. But you can also download some from the online store, and you can tap on one, tap on apply, it's gonna start downloading, and after it's done it should be applied on our watch like this, and it will be added to this local list so we can change between them quickly. And that's how you change the watch face on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.